Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Got a little something going on here, a little project. My neighbor gave me these plastic barrels, these blue plastic barrels. So I think I got 10 of them already cut in half. And he had them set up in a garden, like a raised bed garden. And it used like a self-wicking water system. He said it did really good for the first year, but it ended up losing too much nutrients through the watering system, I think. And so, because of the watering system they had in it, they had to drill all these holes. Those are 3-inch holes, and there's 6 of them in each barrel. So in order to use them, I need to kind of patch those. So yeah, even got a bunch of dirt to go with it here. Some of it's got weeds in it. So anyway, let me take you up here and show you what I built. All right, this is what we made. So I just built a 2x4 frame out of pressure treated 2x4s, and it took exactly 6 2x4s. I think I had 2 pieces left over that were about 2 foot long each. Let's see here. That's what the end looks like there, and it's got two boards under here running the length. Let's see if you can see them here to hold them up in the center. And because these had those big holes, what I did was I took some old plastic, I don't know, like a drum, or not a drum, but a plastic container, and I took a 4-inch hole saw and I just cut out circles and I RTV'd them in. And I'm going to add a couple more, just like 1/2-inch holes in between for drainage. Plus it's got the hole from the hole saw there, the little one. That's how I fixed that. And then I took the centers here and I cut the centers out and just left like a 1-inch flange. And I'm going to screw those together with some stainless steel screws. So it gives me more room to plant. So let's say I have 1, 2, that'd be like a 3rd spot, 4, 5. So I got like 5 big plants in here, like a vegetable garden. So I will put in the description of all the lengths of the wood that I cut. So if you want to build something like this, you got about, if you can find the barrels, I've seen them on Facebook for about 10 bucks a piece. And then you cut them in half. So for 10 bucks for a barrel, and then this is about $38 to $40 in 2x4s for 6 of them. So yeah, not a bad little project. So I got enough to make 4 of these full size, and this is 6 foot long by 2 feet wide. But I think it turned out pretty nice. Everything went together nice and square. On this one I used a combination of screws and nails. I've got stainless steel ring shank nails in my nail gun, and then I was getting low on screws, so I just used a combo. The next one I build, it'll probably be all screws. So yeah, it's like maybe $2 worth of exterior deck screws if you use deck screws. So like I said, I'll put all the dimensions in the description. And this is these legs are 3 foot high, so you have a nice countertop, basically countertop depth or countertop height. So it makes it nice to walk up to, and if you have weeds in there or whatever. I think I'm going to build one that's maybe only 2 foot high for tomatoes, since the tomatoes kind of grow tall. So yeah, for some free barrels and $35 worth of lumber, I got a nice raised bed garden. All right, well, thanks again for watching Projects with Paul, and we'll see you next time.